Hey bro, how's it going?
It's going pretty good, man. You know, just swiping Tinder, trying to get in a good match, you know.
Man, doesn't your finger get sore? You know there's a faster way to do it than swiping on every single person. And let's face it, thousands and thousands of people use Tinder.
Well, man, if you could show me how to use it and do your swipe thing, that would be key, because my finger is killing me.
Yeah man, don't worry. For you,
And for many others, there's one great trick you can do to pull in over 300 matches a month, guaranteed. And I'm going to show you today. Let's hop into it. So first and foremost, let's just get this clear that most guys swipe right on everyone. If you've ever played Tinder on a girl's phone, you swipe, you match. That's just how it works, and obviously there's some way that can do it faster for you than what you're probably doing. I know many of my friends and I have swiped until our fingers are sore and half your phone battery's gone. So today what I'm going to show you is what I do to get over 300 matches a month using a really quick and easy method that works on both Mac and Windows. So as you can see, I just reset mine to have no matches, and I paid for Tinder Plus. Now, you don't have to pay for Tinder Plus or Tinder Gold, but this obviously gets you the best results. You get a free boost too, and this will put you at the front of the page. So let's hop onto the computer and show you what to do from here. The first thing you're going to want to do is get this app called Fast Clicker. I just downloaded it on Google, and there's a bunch of different variations to this app that you can get, but I'll link mine in the description that I used. And you want to imitate my settings here to milliseconds 300, and click count, just max that out. Now we're gonna quickly hop over to Tinder on our desktop or laptop or whatever you're using. So as you can see, I'm in my new profile that I just set up on the phone, and we have a bunch of people showing up here. And what you're going to want to do from here is you can basically see that you can click no or click yes on people just with your cursor. So you're going to use this Fast Clicker app with the settings that I have here, and you're going to click start and move it fast just to the like button. Now, I'm not touching this, it's just automatically going, and you can see it automatically just pushes the matches through when you get them. Obviously the best way to do this too is to, see, you got to be careful because now it's just going haywire. Anyways, the best thing to do also is to boost if you get the gold, because this will show you to everyone at the front of their page and you'll automatically get even more matches. So I will show you now from my phone that I'm basically not even touching this, and it's just going to keep swiping through everyone using the exact settings that I have set up through the Fast Clicker app. So as you guys can see, my hands are here, not touching it, and it's just automatically cycling through every single one that I have on the app right now. And sometimes this will pop up, but if you put the cursor in the right place, it'll automatically shift right through that. So again, there's nothing really holding you back from essentially swiping everyone in your area within only a few minutes time. Just depending on how many people are also in your area. Now I'm gonna let this thing go, and we will come back in a little bit just to see how many matches I'm at and to see if it's working or not.
7 hours later.
So I've let this thing go for about a few hours now. And I did have the boost active, and my area was super busy with the gold profile too. So at the most right now I'm at 299 matches just within this one day. And what you need to remember is, again, like I said, it depends on your photos and the area. Now if you have Tinder free, this method may work good depending on how many people are in your area, but it might not. So if you guys smash the like button and subscribe to my channel, I will release a video on how to do this method with Bumble, because it has unlimited swipes and the process is just a little different. So I would definitely appreciate that, and If this video helped you out, share it to anyone who you know likes to swipe Tinder, because I know a bunch of guys who do. I will catch you guys in the next video, and I hope you learned a lot. See you later.